Guys, in this video we will discuss how to draw a rectangle by using four different methods of drawing a rectangle. Watch the previous videos about how to reach there in sketch module. So let's begin from sketch tab, sketching panel and rectangle. So first one is corner rectangle. Second one is slanted rectangle. Well, the third one is center rectangle and the fourth one is parallelogram. Let's start with first method, that is corner rectangle. Specify first corner point at one diagonal end of rectangle. Now specify second corner point at the other diagonal end of rectangle. Press scroll wheel to end the command. Now press left mouse button twice on the dimensions to specify width of 40 and height of 20 units. So this was the first method of drawing a rectangle, that is corner rectangle. Now let's begin with the third method, that is slanted rectangle. Well, it is a type of rectangle that can be inclined at some angle. Specify the inclined line to define the base of slanted rectangle by its two endpoints. Now specify the third point in perpendicular direction to the inclined line to specify rectangle height. Press scroll wheel to end the command. In order to position the rectangle, we have to draw a horizontal center line at the bottom left corner of rectangle from sketch tab, sketching panel and center line. Select bottom left corner point as center line origin and second point in horizontal as orientation. Now you see there is angle dimension. Press left mouse button twice on dimension and let's put it 20 degrees. Let's put width of 40 and height of 20 units. So this was the third method of drawing a rectangle, that is slanted rectangle. Now let's begin with third method, that is center rectangle. Now specify the center of rectangle at any point. Then move the cursor away from that point and specify any corner point of rectangle. So this is center rectangle having a center point as well. Let's put width of 40 and height of 20 units. To specify dimensions, let's move to the fourth method, that is parallelogram. Specify the base of parallelogram by selecting two endpoints of baseline. Now select the third point to define the height and angle of parallelogram. Press scroll wheel to end the command. Now define the width of 30 units, vertical height of 15 units and angle of 120 degrees. So this was the fourth method, that is parallelogram. So these are four methods of drawing a parallelogram having different parameters. You can also draw a square by using this method. Let's try a corner rectangle and put width and height of some dimension. Let's put there 20 units. So this is square having all sides of equal length, that is 20 units. Well, that's the end of today's activity. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more informative videos.